Okay, let's dive into one of the biggest shifts happening in the global economy right now. You know, for decades, the US dollar was king, but its grip is weakening as gold's price just soars. And just look at that trend. This isn't just a blip, it's a real, significant shift. So, what's really driving this historic rush to gold? Let's break it down. It all kind of kicked off with a geopolitical move that sent shockwaves through the financial world. And these weren't just minor penalties. The goal was to totally cut off Russia's financial lifelines. Think about that. $320 billion of a country's savings frozen, just like that. Suddenly, holding dollars wasn't just an economic choice. It was a political one, with huge risks. But hey, geopolitics is only half the story. The other half, that's coming from inside the US. Okay, so let's talk about something called the inflation tax. What in the world is that? Well, basically, if you held US bonds between 2021 and 2025, you were losing buying power. So countries holding US debt, their savings were worth less and less every single day. So, faced with all this pressure, what did the world do? They turned to something ancient. And just look at this chart. It's a near perfect mirror image. As one goes down, the other goes up. This table shows you who's making the big moves. And wow, these numbers are just staggering. So yeah, this isn't just a few small players. We're talking about a major shift by huge economies. All right, so what's next? For 2026, experts think this trend is only going to speed up. Most analysts agree gold now has a new, higher floor, right around that $4,000 mark. And the big banks? They're on board. Bank of America is calling for $5,000 an ounce. JP Morgan's even more bullish. They're calling gold their top long bet for the entire year. And Goldman Sachs, they're warning the price could blow past what even their models are predicting. Okay, so let's pull this all together. This isn't just about market speculation. It's way bigger. What we're really seeing is a huge strategic move away from a single point of financial control. Which leaves us with one big final question. Is the world getting ready for what comes next?